In this module, we will talk about types of fermentation process on the basis of oxygen requirement. Most of the organisms require oxygen in the fermentation process. Some of them not require the oxygen. So on the requirement of the oxygen, we classify the fermentation into three major types: aerobic fermentation, semi-aerobic, or you can say semi-anaerobic fermentation. We can interchange with semi-aerobic and semi-anaerobic. And then the third type is anaerobic fermentation. Let's see one by one what are these. As concerned the aerobic fermentation is carried out in the presence of oxygen, and the organism use oxygen for the conversion of complex organic molecules into the simpler one. So oxygen is actually required for the reproduction and the growth of the microorganism. To learn about detail the aerobic process of the microorganism, most of the microorganisms require oxygen for their respiration. And we know that when the respiration process involved in the presence of the oxygen, then more ATP will be produced. So most of the organisms, when they grow, they require oxygen, but not all. Some microorganisms does not need the oxygen, or their requirement is less as compared to some microorganisms. So those microorganisms which require in early process and later on either they require a less oxygen or totally not rely on the oxygen. So those fermentation process in which such conditions have to be needed, that fermentation process can be called as semi-anaerobic fermentation or semi-aerobic fermentation. In literature, for this type of fermentation, another word is also used which we called as facultative fermentation process. In this process, organisms make ATP by aerobic respiration, but capable of switching to anaerobic respiration if oxygen is absent. So in this semi-aerobic fermentation, oxygen is needed, but not much more. So if we differentiate from aerobic and semi-aerobic, or aerobic or from semi-anaerobic, in aerobic fermentation, oxygen is compulsory, but here oxygen is not compulsory. So the third type you can see here, that is anaerobic fermentation. In this type of fermentation, there is no need of oxygen. Even we can say here, we need a strict absence of oxygen. Those fermentation process which we called as anaerobic fermentation or a strict anaerobic fermentation, so in such fermentation, oxygen presence become toxic. So if the oxygen will be there, then organism cannot grow. The suitable example of those organisms which not require the oxygen at all, that are mostly the archaea. Those are microorganisms which mostly grow on a very harsh conditions at a high temperature in which the oxygen solubility is very less. So those microorganisms often required no need of oxygen. So on this base, the fermentation process can be called as anaerobic fermentation. So there are various examples of aerobic, semi-aerobic and anaerobic process. If we take a simple example of a yeast fermentation, if we grow the yeast in aerobic condition, that increase the biomass that can be used for the production of bakery yeast. On the other hand, the same process when we will run without the oxygen, then the yeast can be used for the biotransformation process, which we called as ethyl alcohol process. In other words, we can say that beer production process or a wine production process. As concerned the example of the anaerobic process, various example of biogas production, etc.